Hey everyone, it's Jackson Vlogs and welcome back to another review. And today we're going to be doing my fidget spinner review. This is a really cool fidget. There's white bearings. Well, 3 white bearings and a bearing right here in the middle. And then also, there's also these things you turn on. Like LEDs, see? So let's turn this one on and turn this one on. So let me try and see. So now we can spin it. And I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? So it's a really cool thing to use, like you can bring it to school and everything. It's really cool. And yeah, I only do short reviews, so I'm a review YouTuber. But yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. That being said, rate, comment, like, subscribe, send me notifications, like being said. Bye.